My name is RORY. I'm Finance and Systems Director of the Somali Cash Consortium. The Cash Consortium is a cash transfer program, and we do humanitarian life-saving cash transfers exclusively through mobile money. We've been operating since January 2018, and in 2018 we dispersed about $18 million through the mobile money systems in Somalia to the most vulnerable Somali households. Norwegian Refugee Council, Save the Children, Danish Refugee Council, COOPI, Concern Worldwide, which is the lead agency, and Impact, a sister organisation of REACH. One of the main challenges, and it was the first real challenge that we encountered, was the lack of identification in Somalia. So there's no national identification system, which means that when we register somebody, we don't have a single way of recording them on a system that we can then cross-check with other systems. So we ran a biometrics pilot in 2018, and the plan was we collected fingerprints of the head of household and then some of the household members. And that allowed us to, of all the fingerprints we collected, which was about 5,000 in the end, find out, okay, were any of our beneficiaries duplicated? One of the things we're most proud of, and for me this really falls into the category of, innovation isn't an app. Innovation is just doing something differently. So we spend a lot of time making sure that the people we support are the most vulnerable in Somalia. So doing this, we've gone through several innovations which we're working on. So we're looking at a voice verification system which will allow us to prove that the person we registered on the doorstep is the one is the one receiving the transfers,